Very important piece of breaking news to start off today's edition of 5 Live. After serial terror attacks in Jammu, at least 10 in all, the biggest terror hunt has just been launched in the Jammu sector. Operation All Out is what it's called, and it has begun in earnest across different parts of the Jammu division. A big army operation has been launched called Mission All Out to kill or hunt down or flush out anywhere between 50 and 60 Pakistani terrorists who've infiltrated Jammu and who have escalated levels of violence to an unprecedented degree south of the Pir Panjal range that separates Jammu from the Kashmir Valley. The Modi government has started what many observers are seeing as part 2 of Sarp Vinash. Sarp Vinash is a famous operation that was conducted over 20 years ago in the similar region of the Jammu area to flush out a large number of terrorists who had infiltrated across the line of control and the international border. We've got our reporters on the ground across Jammu getting us the very latest. Even yesterday, there was an incident of violence. Clearly, there is a design to escalate the levels of violence and put the government on the back foot in the Jammu division. Take a look at Sunil Ji's latest report from Jammu
Rajouri district, and a massive counter-terror operation has been launched by the security forces across the length and breadth of the hilly districts of Jammu region. Right now you can see these visuals that reinforcements are being sent to different places where there is suspicion that terrorists are hiding. We are on ground zero in Jammu and Kashmir's Rajouri district's Khwas area at about 3:10 a.m. There was a terror attack on an army camp as well as on the village defense group members. This is the same village to which Purushottam Kumar belongs, who was awarded with Shaurya Chakra earlier this year. In 2023, it was because of his alertness and his valor, 2 dreaded Pakistani terrorists were eliminated in this particular area. And now there are reports that 40 to 50 Pakistani terrorists are hiding in the upper reaches of Jammu division's hilly districts. And now the security forces have launched a major counter-terror offensive in Jammu division. Behind me you are seeing these exclusive visuals of the reinforcements being sent to different areas where there is suspicion that terrorists are hiding. We are going to show you some more visuals. Look at the terrain. This is one of the most dangerous stretches here in Rajouri districts. The visibility is very low. Weather at times is inclement, but braving all odds, our security forces are on their job. They are trying their level best to ensure that these counter-terror operations are taken to their logical conclusion and the Pakistani terrorists who are hiding in the upper reaches are eliminated as soon as possible. This is Sunil Bhatt reporting from Ground Zero in Jammu and Kashmir's Rajouri district for India Today.
10 terror attacks in quick succession over a month and a half in the Jammu region, especially in the high altitude areas, has meant that this has become a huge issue for the Indian army. Sources telling India Today that anywhere between 40 and 50 Pakistani terrorists have managed to infiltrate and are hiding in the upper reaches of the hilly districts of the Jammu division, which is where Sunil Ji was just reporting from, as you just saw him. Pakistani terrorists who've managed to infiltrate are highly trained, equipped with some of the most modern, sophisticated weapons, including American-made M4 carbine rifles fitted with night vision devices. These are not the usual Fidayeen terrorists you see coming across the line of control. These appear to be either military-trained terrorists or ex-military members who've turned into terrorists. Pakistani terrorists also possess Chinese steel-coated bullets that can penetrate bulletproof vehicles. These have been also collected as evidence from various encounter sites. Pakistani terrorists active in the Jammu division hold expertise in mountain and jungle warfare. They're scattered in small commando-like groups in different parts of the Jammu region. Security forces have launched what is now being called Operation All Out, a major counter-terror operation in which anywhere between 40 and 50 terrorists who've been identified as having infiltrated and operating in the Jammu region will now be hunted and eliminated by the Indian Army and the Indian security forces. Joining me live from the ground in the Rajouri sector of Jammu is Sunilji Bhatt, who's been travelling across this restive part of J&K where the Indian Army has just launched Operation All Out. Sunil, this is going to be one of the most challenging, coordinated counter-terror operations on the lines of Sarp Vinash 2 decades ago. Operation All Out is what has begun now.
Absolutely, Shiv. A major counter-terror offensive has been launched across the length and breadth of Jammu region's hilly districts, be it Rajouri, be it Poonch, be it Kishtwar, Doda, Riyasi. Additional troops have also been rushed to these hilly districts because as per the intelligence sources, there is presence of terrorists. About 40 to 50 dreaded Pakistani terrorists are present in the upper reaches of the hilly areas of Jammu region. And Shiv, most of these terrorists are Pakistani terrorists. They are highly trained, equipped with some of the most modern weapons, including American-made M4 carbine rifles, fitted with night vision devices. And our sources are telling us that these terrorists are also having Chinese steel-coated bullets that can penetrate into bulletproof vehicles. So the challenge is huge, and what is compounding the problems of the security forces is the terrain. I will ask my camera person to show you the picture. Shiv, look at the terrain. These areas are surrounded by dense forests, mountains, and at times the visibility is also low. Right now, the place where I'm standing, there was heavy rainfall a short while ago. Look at this terrain. So it becomes very difficult in areas like these to launch counter-terror operations. But given the fact that that terror has raised its ugly head once again in the hilly areas of Jammu region, that is why a strategy has been formulated. It's a multi-pronged strategy. Recently, Shiv, a cabinet committee on security met. After that, Amit Shah also chaired an important meeting in New Delhi. Then Army Chief General Upendra Dwivedi air dashed to Jammu, and this was his second visit to Jammu in less than a month's time. So one can understand that the challenge that has emerged in Jammu region is being viewed with all seriousness. That is why a proper strategy has been, formulated, and the priority is to neutralize the terrorists who are present in the upper reaches. These are not easy areas to operate in, particularly for the security forces, given the fact that the highly trained Pakistani terrorists who hold expertise in mountain warfare, jungle warfare, are present in these upper reaches. Yes, Shiv.
Stay with me, Sunil. I'm going to come back to you in just a bit. We've also got some of your ground reports that we're going to be playing out in just a moment.